Do you feel like you're constantly fighting the complexities and confusion of the financial world? You have great goals, but the path to achieving them is unclear. These 10 timeless principles will help you imagine, assemble, build, and create optimal financial wellness. We'll begin with imagine. To help gain the best possible future, you must start with how you think. Let's look at the 3 imagine principles. The first principle is to imagine your purpose for money. You may have goals for your money. You may want to buy a beautiful new home, send your child to the best college, and perhaps travel to your dream destination. But goals are not the same as purpose. Goals are finite and don't answer your why. Purpose is deeper and doesn't have a price tag. You can move toward it with $10 or $1 million. When you're making a financial decision, now you're not just looking at the math. Instead, you're seeing whether that decision is in line with your greater purpose. For example, maybe your purpose is love. You can demonstrate love with expressions, big and small. Maybe your purpose is freedom. Freedom to act immediately on whatever exciting opportunities come your way. Or maybe it's family, creating experiences and a legacy to give to your children. Whatever your purpose is, having it clear in mind will impact your financial horizon. The second principle to picture is your optimal. If you truly want optimal financial wellness, it's essential to imagine optimally. If you had a choice between a financial plan that provides only what you need for the future or a process that strives for the best possible outcome, which would you want? A plan that only considers the need is like walking a tightrope. It takes just one unexpected event to knock you off. But if you imagine optimally, looking at what's actually possible, you're better prepared to provide a cushion for your future or achieve a future goal that wouldn't have been in your plan today. Optimal thinking begins with imagining the ideal. Let's apply this principle to a 401k. Many people like having a 401k for its tax advantages. They contribute their income before income tax can even touch it. At retirement, how much tax do you ideally want to pay when you take the money out? Likely zero. You may not get to zero, but by starting with ideal, you can now strategize to help get as close to it as possible. The third principle is imagine synergy. It's easy to make financial decisions like you're shopping at the grocery store, matching a product with a goal. Do you want to retire? Get a 401k. Are you sending your child to college? Get a 529. Are you concerned about what happens if you die? Then buy a life insurance policy. Over time, your financial decisions can just pile up. A financial planner can help you get a comprehensive look, a checklist of, do you have this? How much of it do you have, and how much will you need to have? But comprehensive is not always holistic. The problem is when you buy all these different products without seeing how they fit together, you may end up with more waste and little gain. To enjoy optimal financial wellness, it's important to think of your money decisions like chess, not checkers. If you play like every piece is the same, but the financial world is playing chess, you're likely to wind up in checkmate. To illustrate, you may have $100,000 in a CD, $100,000 in home equity, and $100,000 in your 401k. They may be worth the same, but they each behave very differently. How they're taxed, how they accumulate value, how they're exposed to risk, and how they impact income are all different. By understanding how each asset works, you can coordinate their use so that they play to their strengths, overcome each other's limitations, and better positions you to achieve your optimal purpose. These are just a few of the timeless principles that can help you reach for your best life ever. Would you like to learn more about optimal financial wellness and experience it yourself? Subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more educational content every month. Download our guide on the 10 principles of optimal financial wellness. Register for any of our regular online webinars. Request a complimentary consultation to see what your next step is. We can't wait to help you reach for your best financial life ever.